Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how the JBL PartyBox 330 speaker is made step by step. Don't forget to subscribe.
Let's get these lines ready. We have a big target today. New shipment of black polymers is here. Looks good, seal is intact. Move this to the prep line.
Batch 4 looks good.
Weighing 500 grams. Trays are looking good.
Proceed with the inspection. These voice coils are within spec.
Perfect. Let's move them to the next tray. Solder joints on this batch look perfect. Visual inspection on the upper amber region is complete.
Perforation density looks consistent.
Edges are smooth. Proceed. Check the handles first.
Line up the brackets.
Looks good. Line 3 ready?
Send it through.
Dimensions look perfect on this unit. This unit looks exceptionally clean.
I agree, the seams are perfect.
Opening looks clean. Check the texture on this side panel. How do the edges look on this batch? They align perfectly with the fixture. Align it with this post. Alignment looks good on this side. Aligning the top part. Looks good, no scratches on this one.
Perfect, send it through to assembly.
Drivers are looking good. Alignment looks good on this one.
Setting the magnet now.
Aligning the coil now. Centering is perfect. Alignment is spot on. Looks good to me. Mounting points are clean. Alignment is critical on these units. Magnets are clear, seating looks good. Secure the frame to the cabinet. Aligning the frame. Tightening in a cross pattern. This solder joint looks a bit lean. Let's check it against the fixture. Watch your side on that driver.
Aligning with the boss now.
Locked in. Alignment is good. Now for the main board.
locked and secure.
Align the terminals. There, lock it in. This harness is ready for the 330. Let's check the connector types before we fit them. They look like a perfect match for this board. All clips are locked and fully secured. Looks good for wiring. Let's align the upper loop of this figure 8. Perfect. Now secure the central connection. The bottom modules are now in place. Looks good. Routing the lower harness. Align the top loop first. Locked in, fits perfectly. Orange, pink, and blue look correct. Voltage is stable on my end. Alignment looks good. Line it up. It is flush. All checks pass. Routing through the main channel now. Aligning with the PCB connector. Align the panel with the rails.
I have it secured.
Align it with the rails. Securing mounting points now. Looks good, very smooth. Aligning the bracket now. Align the axle. Looks good. Handle extension is smooth. Wheels are rotating freely. Let's lift it up.
Line it up on your side.
Securely seated.
Alignment check, station 4.
Grid locked, looks perfect. Top controls are looking good. Aligning the side components now. Let's check the telescoping handle. Alignment looks solid. Securing the left side. Aligns perfectly. Handles smooth. Booting up the LEDs. Looks ready. Looks good. Send it through to testing. Let's get this unit on the platform. Surface and grille look perfect. Initiating power on sequence now. All rotary controls are responding. Initiating the wireless connectivity test now. All systems are green, connection is stable. The frequency response looks solid. We're well within the target parameters.
Front grille and logo are perfectly aligned.
Handle and wheels, check out. Station 2, unit approved. Unit is cleared. Looks good. Power cord is in.
Adding the manual now. This compartment is verified.
Ready to close. Easy does it. Keep it level. Looks good on this side. Perfect. Fit the inserts. Box closing, ready for seal. Aligning perfectly. Seal confirmed, send it through. These look good to go.
Edges are perfect.
Let's move these to lane 4. Set them down right here. Keep it coming straight. Got it, looks perfect. Locked and ready. Copy that, signing off.